One of the healthy foods that keeps me fit and beautiful is the parfait. So today I'll be teaching you how to make Greek yogurt that you could use for your parfait, your cakes, or any dessert that you need it in. Hey, this is Zekas and you're welcome to my channel. To make your yogurt or Greek yogurt, you need 2 cups of powdered milk, 2 cups of room temperature water, 2 cups of hot water. When you add the room temperature water, make sure you mix very well to remove any form of lumps. Then add the hot water and mix very well. We're going to be using the starter. This is what turns our milk mixture into a yogurt. So we're going to be collecting a little bit of milk from already mixed milk, adding the starter, mix very well till everything, all the powder is dissolved. Then we add it back into our milk mixture and mix very well. When we're through with mixing, we then cover back our milk in a tight container, and then going to cover this milk with a thick cloth, either towel or any thick cloth. Then keep it in the oven or any place that is warm and leave it for 12 to certain hours to ferment, not less than 12 hours if you want a good result. Then the more you leave it, the thicker it becomes. So I left mine more than 12 hours. You can see how thick it was, and it gave me a very good result. If I wanted a regular yogurt, I would have left it like that, mixed and put in the freezer, but I wanted a Greek yogurt, so I brought a cheese bag. I wanted to sieve out some water out of this yogurt so that it will be a Greek yogurt. So I put it in a cheese bag or akamu bag. If you're in Nigeria, just ask them to give you akamu or ogi bag or pap bag, and you put it in there and leave it for few minutes depending on how thick you want it to be. Then when you're okay with the draining, you are going to leave this drained water, put it in the freezer. We're going to use it for our yogurt another day, to become our starter another day. So this is the result. After doing this, you pour back your yogurt into your container and mix very well, and then you have your Greek yogurt. Very simple to make. It's not something difficult. Why don't you be trying this at home? Because it's healthier to try this at home by yourself. Then when you're through, you could leave it plain, or you could also add a little sugar to sweeten it. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Bye.